Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Christopher coming at you with another video of Cars Unlocked. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2018 Nissan Micra SR. So this is the top package of the 18 Micras. It comes in the S, the SV, and the SR, which is what we're looking here today. A few features that you can see automatically when you go up to the SR. You do get the body style mirrors, the nice aluminum alloy wheels. This one is obviously in the red exterior color. Nissan subcompact hatchback, very small, great for the city. I call this the little pedal jumper. There's a ton of these in Europe and they were introduced to Canada in 2015. Going to be great on fuel with that 4-speed automatic transmission. So when you go up to this SR package, you do get the sport style headlights and the LED fog lights. Nice chrome accents around the fog lights. And there is also this nice chrome front bumper accent that's below the license plate. On the rear we do have the sport style tail lights, which you get with this SR package. This is also the only package that comes with the backup camera, which is right on the back hatch there. Okay, so taking a look under the hood, not too much horsepower behind this. It is a 4-cylinder 1.6 liter engine. Gonna pump out about 109 horsepower and 107 pounds-feet of torque. Like I mentioned, everybody loves these vehicles for the fuel mileage. It's gonna give you about 9 liters per every 100 kilometers in the city and 6.8 on the highway. It's a 41-gallon fuel tank, so a very small fuel tank for the small car, but you can go far on 1 tank of gas. The seating and appointments, this one is a 6-way manual adjustable driver's seat. When you go up to this SR, you do get the sport cloth, which you can see the colored accents right in the seat there, and the nice blue stitching, which is all throughout the interior of the vehicle. All your standard features that you would expect: power windows, power locks, power mirrors. No automatic headlights though, that's one disappointment. A top package should have automatic headlights, but you do have to manually turn the headlights on and off. Pretty basic gauges there, and then our gas meter is digital on the right. To do your auxiliary input, you can play music through the USB, AM, FM, CD player. Unfortunately, no Bluetooth audio streaming in this vehicle, which is something that I think every car with Bluetooth should include. But you can plug in your phone to the USB, which is right there, and you can charge your phone or play music that way as well. And here you can see the backup camera. It comes on automatically when I put it in reverse, and the guidelines will help me park it in the spot there. Checking out the trunk, not too much space in the back of the Micra, but enough for all your groceries. For a small hatchback, there actually is a lot of room. You can fold the seats down. It's a 60-40 split. You just got to remove the headrest a little bit if you want to put those large items in, and the seats will fold flat. But still a decent sized trunk for a small hatchback. So thank you very much for watching another video. Again, my name is Christopher from Cars Unlocked. Today we are looking at the 2018 Nissan Micra. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and have a good day.